guys, welcome back to Polished Leisure. I'm Kelsey, and today I am going to be bedazzling this Starbucks cup. Not sure how long it's gonna take because I've never done this before, but I went to Michael's and I got the rhinestones. This cost me about $10.50, and then I got some glue. I googled it and apparently this is the best stuff for rhinestones and plastic, blah blah blah. It's the E600 industrial strength adhesive. I was just gonna do like super glue, but then when I googled it, it said like that was the best stuff to use. So let's get started. I also have put down a placemat just so I don't get glue on my beautiful table that my boyfriend made. Now I'm trying to open this. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start placing the rhinestones just around the Starbucks symbol. No rhyme or reason, but yeah, and we'll go from there. God, oh my god babe, this stuff's really messy. Hey guys, it's day 2. I kind of stopped yesterday, but this is how far I got. And that's about like 20 minutes of, you know, doing it. I love how it looks. Like, it's so shiny. I don't think I'm actually gonna use this Starbucks cup after this. It's gonna just kind of be for show, I think. Because once you wash it, I don't know how much these will stand up in like hand washing. I guess you could hand wash like the inside and stuff, but yeah, anyways, I found it easy to kind of like use this to kind of hold it steady, because otherwise it was going all over the place. So that's a little tip for you. Yeah, I'm gonna just watch some YouTube. Like, it's raining out today, so this is like the perfect day. I'm gonna try and finish it up today, but it might take like a couple hours, so we'll see. I'll let you know how long overall it does take to make a Starbucks cup. This is the venti size one. just finishing up this little spot here, and then we're done. I found a nice way to do it too by just putting the glue right on there, like that, and then placing them right on top. It's a little bit faster because you can just kind of like speed put them on. Make it rain. Alright guys, this is the final product. I am so happy with it. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, look at that shimmery, sparkly. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I don't think I'm actually gonna use this. It might just sit on my shelf, but I'm like, I'm so happy. Ugh. Anyways, see if you guys can recreate one of these. It was really inexpensive. I mean, this is one of the plastic Starbucks cups, and I think you can get them for like $3. Or if you just have like an old one that you have that you don't really want to throw out, but just give it some new life. It's a good idea to do. I highly recommend that glue and then letting it set for about 24 hours, and they're like really stuck on there. I'm shook how well they actually held up. So yeah, that's my crafting for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.